Hi everyone, this is Diane with Owl's Treasures. Today I'm going to do a pumpkin soap. This is the pumpkin puree. I did a video to show you how to take an actual pumpkin and break it down and cook it and puree it. So that's what we're making with the soap today. I'm not going to color or fragrances. I am just going to leave it as it is. So that it's a vegan, is it vegan? Yes. So that we have a vegan. In my lye water, I have kaolin clay, Himalayan sea salt, and sodium lactate. In here, I have colloidal oatmeal, olive oil, coconut, shea. What else do I have? Grapeseed oil and palm. So it is not palm free. I do, however, buy sustainable palm. Well, I decided to make just a very simple design. Just a small amount of interest for the top. Here's the pumpkin soap. It's been about a day and a half. Has a very pretty creamy yellow color. So, won't be a very exciting soap to cut, but it will be a very nice soap to use. Very plain, but beautiful. I actually like soaps that are just plain one color. I have made this in the past before and added a little orange to it, but I also like the natural color. Offers people choices. Some like it with the color in there and some like it just natural like this. Top turned out nice. If you like this video, please subscribe so you can see more of them. Hit the little bell for notifications. And give me a thumbs up if you liked it. And please share it with your friends if you think they will enjoy it also. Thank you for joining me, and have a great day.